Where are we?
About to go out and catch some large and in charge fish.
A little foggy today.
Where are they taking us?
Pulling line out. So it's pulling line.
Strong?
Oh yeah.
¡Hey, Rooster! Poquito a poquito, pues no la lidería, así que te llegue.
Whoa!
Como te dije, como te dije. Corre, corre. Sube.
Dude, this thing is huge.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, man. Bye bye.
Dude,
¿Este qué?
looks like another rooster.
¿Quiere que se lo mande a San Pancho?
Nice technique.
Yeah, there it is. Another rooster. No, he doesn't want to come in yet.
Bien jeteado, man.
Ahí llegó. Another.
Hey.
That's awesome!
Yeah.
You man, take a picture.
Yes, fish out.
Looks like another good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Why don't you bring them in? How do you feel? A little tired? That was a great fish.
Fun. Oh.
Oh, bonita. So we got 6 roosters, a Spanish mackerel, and a bonita. That's awesome.